Just going to do a bit of the canal towpath. I love it along here, but you get so many people just coming, giving you the evil eye, as if to say, what are you doing along here? This is for walkers only. You know, it's not. You're quite within your right to cycle along here. But the old walkers think it belongs to them. Well, we'll see. It's only a short stretch I've got to do, but I don't even need to use any power assist. Just pedal along. And I love doing this. I really do enjoy going along the towpath. I could go for miles. But I don't know. People, eh? Boaties are out in force today. I mean, this is the type of path this bike was made for. It absolutely loves travelling on these gravel paths. And it's so easy. I can't go over that little horse.
You want to see the baby one? Of course.
There's one up there, right?
Can't see that far.
The fowl.
Yeah, fowl.
Have you been up here before?
Well, yeah, but I've not seen these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you probably hadn't noticed them because you couldn't have.
Well, you can't see them. The grass is a bit long, is it? A tiny little horse.
Oh, they are.
I can't. Oh, sort of, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
It's grown.
Yeah, I know.
I can't get anything.
It's a great little horse, that is. It's great, that is. Can't get over it.
Put them in your pocket, can't you? I know, that's what I say.
Like a toy.
Yeah, he's nearly big as his mum now.
Miniature ponies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shetland, yeah.
But they're all in proportion, aren't they?
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
Not like got a big fat belly and short stumpy
no,
legs.
no.
They're in proportion.
Yeah.
Tiny little hooves. Like a
Yeah, tiny little feet.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have bought a carrot. I can't feed you.
No, it isn't wise to feed other
No,
people's
it isn't.
animals.
No, you don't know what diet they're on, do you,
No.
really? So,
I mean, horses are
Gotta go
funny.
now.
yeah.
We lived on a farm and we cut the grass and we chucked it over in the paddock with these horses. Anyway, the owner come, gave us such a rocky. Apparently, freshly mown grass can cause colic, which
Right.
is bloating.
Yeah.
So we didn't do it. So the rabbits are bloody temperamental.
Anyway, I'm going to get on.
Huh?
Get on.
Right, I'm going.
Okay, that's it.
Cheerio now.
Cheerio.
Bye.
Well, how fascinating was that? Can't get over them little horses. He seems like a proper character. Real down-to-earth chap. Maybe an e-bike convert. We'll see. But you can still get these from China, and they're coming up, I think, below £800. But you're going to get hit with duty if you're in the UK. So when I bought mine, we didn't get that. So what the price said was what I paid. But the old tax man He's going to want a lump. Still going to be cheaper though, aren't they? I mean, they're still going to be a good deal. So we'll go down a bit further down this road. I don't want to hit the main road, that's the thing. And I know the footpath is covered in thorns, so I'll be a bit careful. Okay, I'm risking it. Thing is, with this path, it's not used very much, and I'm certainly not cycling along that dual carriageway. It's not used much, so it doesn't get cleared of debris a lot. So we just have to hope there's no thorn bushes hanging over. Well, we're getting on a bit better pavement here now. Got through the worst of it. Hopefully I haven't picked anything up. Well, it's another brilliant day out. Hopefully we've got some more to come yet before the weather turns. Saying that, it always seems to feel like summer's getting later as the years go by. I don't know, it's just a feeling I have. But we'll be out, weather permitting. The old trusty Engwe EP-2. If I had to complain or make a niggle about the bike, it would only be the narrow handlebars. Can make it a bit twitchy. I believe they're that size for simple folding, although I can't see it would make any difference. If they were, say, a couple of inches wider. I know some people have fitted BMX bars, but you do lose the folding capability. And that's what I need, because I carry it in the car. I need it to fold. But if that wasn't the case, yeah, I'd probably change them to BMX bars. There is a chap in America that has made or had fabricated a short stem folding mechanism, although it's not available over here at the moment, and I don't really know how much it is, but it's a short stem folding mechanism that allows you to put the BMX bars on and still fold the bars down for transportation. So that might be something to look into later on. Oh, you don't want to catch your shins on any of them. It would take the skin off. These crash barriers here, they're bent over. They're a road resurfacing. Well, it's not resurfacing, is it? Throw a bit of grit down and call it a job. Doesn't last 5 minutes. All gets kicked up by the tyres. That's how you get broken screens. And if you're on a bike, it's a nightmare. It's such a slippy surface. Complete waste of money. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed that little ride out with me. Went a fair way today actually. Yeah, we saw a few things, didn't we? That little horse we saw. Character of that chap. Great bloke.